How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on the DM icon on the top right of your screen and then open the conversation from where you want to turn off the vanish mode. Vanish Mode is a privacy feature in Instagram DMs that lets message disappear automatically after you leave the chat. So, if you have enabled Vanish Mode, then in order to turn it off, you can simply swipe up on your screen, and with this, as you can see, the Vanish Mode has been disabled instantly. And the next method to turn it off is simply tap on the user's name on top of your screen and you will see the option for disappearing messages. So tap on the disappearing messages option you see there, and further go ahead and select the off radio button, and with this the disappearing messages will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.